Hi there. So I don't know if you like preserving food or what your purpose would be exactly in getting this, but I have a few reasons that I bought this and why I'm excited to use it. This is an automatic airtight sealing for your mason jars. It's a sealer. It will take all the vacuum out your air and keep your item that is in here free of the air to have it last much, much longer. I do want to make sure, just like with any sort of canning product, you want to make sure that you have a very clean top here. Make sure you take a rag and that nothing is prohibiting your can from sealing. I'm just going to come out of the picture so you can completely see what I'm doing here. Make sure you have a lid that hasn't been used before, and you're going to put your lid on like that. And now I'm going to turn on my product. Here I have the wide mouth function on here, and I'm going to put this on. I'm going to turn this on first here. I'm going to make sure I have this on. So I push this on tight. Everything is perfect. Now I'm going to turn this on at 100%, and now I'm going to long push this here and let it seal. All right, so I decided to stop that. I'm going to take this off and let you see. There's actually the wide mouth function and this is the normal one here. And those just go hand in hand right with each other. So now I can't just take this. This is sealed on here very, very tightly, which is great. Look at that. All the pressure, it is keeping my salt. And if I want to, this is also included in your package. When you want to open your can, take a look at that. Sealed tight to preserve the freshness of your product. Again, make sure you wash. You've got your sealer. Feel free. They provided a narrow mouth jar too. And all you have to do for that one is open it with this and put it on this way. So very easy to use. I think you're going to love it too. Here's something you never knew you needed. This is an electric mason jar sealer. It works for wide mouth and narrow mouth jars. Now, we like to do things like freeze dried apples. Take a look, we put them in bags. They're not gonna last long. Or homemade hot cocoa mix. So what I did here is, in your package, you get your sealer topper. This one here is for the narrow mouth, and you just put that on there. Or, now it's custom for your wide mouth lid. You just need to put your charger in here, and mine is at like 99% right now. I just used it once, and then we have our power button here, and then you push it again to start. It comes with this lid remover tool, which is actually really helpful, and your charging cord, and a wide and a narrow mouth lid to get started. When you have your item, make sure your lid is fully cleaned off. You don't want any particles in there getting in any way of your sealing. And you want to make sure you also have a new cover. Once you have that ready, you push this on tightly and push once, and it starts to suction there for you. The numbers keep going up. They recommend to get it just over the 40 pressure mark, and then you can stop. It only takes a matter of seconds, and before you know it, it's ready to be removed. It's just suctioning out all of the air. Your product life is going to last a long time. This is worth the investment to keep your food fresh and exactly how you want it longer. This will end up saving you lots of money in the long run as well. I'm at 36, 37, 38, 39. 40 is where I feel comfortable. So I'm going to go ahead and push stop there. It's at 98%. So it tells me I am very happy with that. And I'm going to remove this. My lid stays on there. Now, for sake of this video and letting you see what we have here, there is no air in here. And all I have to do is listen for the sealing. There you go. Did you hear the air pressure? I'm not able to use this lid anymore for sealing once you use it. So make sure to get new lids for that. But this will keep your products fresher longer. And I think you're going to love this machine. Again, you can have your wide mouth and your narrow mouth. Palm of your hands. I think you're going to love this electric sealer for your canning jars.